In this video, we'll see how to make Oreo ice cream cake. Let's get started. For this recipe, we need a cake tin which has a base which comes off, or you can use a springform mold, or you can use a mousse mold. Next step is to crush some Oreos. So for this recipe, we need 14 Oreo chocolate biscuits or Oreo cookies. If you have the one which has vanilla cream inside, you can use those as well. Make a fine powder. Now take out 4 tablespoons and keep it aside. We are going to use this later to add to our ice cream base. So total 4 tablespoons. To the remaining mixture, add 3 to 4 teaspoons chocolate syrup and give it a good mix. You may add 1 to 1.5 tablespoon melted butter if you want. Then add 1 tablespoon milk and give it a good mix. So this is what it should look like. Transfer it to your cake tin and using a spatula or a spoon, spread it evenly. If you find it difficult, you can use your fingers to first spread the mixture and then use a spoon to level it. Now set it in your refrigerator for 15 minutes. Here I've got 3/4 cup whipping cream. I'm using non-dairy, it's already sweet. The whipping cream needs to be really cold while you whip it, and you need to get stiff peaks. Once you get stiff peaks, add condensed milk. Add 1/4 cup if the cream is already sweetened. Add more, that is ½ cup if you're using dairy whipping cream. I would soon show you recipes using dairy whipping cream as well. After adding the Oreo powder which we had kept aside, give this a mix. Whip it at low speed till everything is well combined. Now add ½ cup milk. Make sure that the milk is cold. Just mix it, you don't need to whip it. And then scrape the sides using a spatula like this, and the ice cream base is ready. Transfer it to the mold. With the same recipe, you can transfer this to an airtight container and make a regular ice cream. Decorate with some more Oreos on top like this. After placing the Oreo cookies, just press them a little so that they get secured in the ice cream base. Now refrigerate this, that is, put this in your freezer for 6 to 8 hours. Once the ice cream sets, take it out of the mold. The acetate sheets which are lined on the sides of the mold can be reused. Just wash them with liquid soap and sponge, dry with a cloth, and you can reuse them. This ice cream cake is ready. Make sure you take out a slice and immediately freeze the remaining one, because it's an ice cream cake, it's not a regular cake. I hope you liked this video. So this was my first summer wali recipe of this summer season, and there are many more to come. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.